Alright. He's not that big. He's a male shovel nose. Yeah, it's like an alien. Let's go and release this little boy. Well, welcome back guys to our channel. So if you're new to this channel, please click like, subscribe and share this video. So today we are here in the beach. The usual beach that I used to fish, it's too crowded. I just chose a random beach at the moment, so this is where we're gonna fish. Fortunately with drones guys, with drone fishing, you don't need to be in your favorite spot. You can just fish anywhere. Here goes our bad boy. It's ready to go. And the bait that we're gonna be using is the bait that we have caught last night. So it's just yakas and some tailor as well. And I'm gonna show you the rig that I'm gonna be using. So this is where I put my rig guys, so it doesn't get tangled. So it's just a pool noodle that I cut, and those are the hooks there, just to keep yourself organized. And it's easy to retrieve your tackle every time. So the wind is just blown up. We just have a camera, that's why you can't hear the wind. But actually the wind gust is up to 40 kph. And in our previous videos, we've caught some tailors from the beach as well. We've got jewfish. So far, that's the fish that we have caught. And we're looking forward to catching more fish. So let me just rig this up, then let's get into fishing. And I'm gonna quickly show you my setup. So this is our line that actually hooks on the drone. I just created a loop there, and that goes to this line, and this is the first connection here. This one goes to my main line there on that rod, and that's the yellow line going to the drone. That's the connection, that's the swivel. It goes through this one. It's just a paternoster setup. Then I put like an octopus jig there, just to serve as an attractant. 2 dropper loops, and that's the second drop loop, and it's connected to my sinker. So that's a sinker. So if you notice, the line that I use is a smaller one, and that's another 3-way swivel. So when I get snagged, I'll just pull this. This is 80-pound fluorocarbon leader, and this one is a 20-pound mono. So when I get snagged, I don't have to worry about my sinker. So that's the connection. We'll prepare the bait and we're gonna fly. This is the bait that we're gonna be using. This is just my old mallet that's still frozen, and these are the yakas that we have caught from the bridge last night. So with this tailor here, I'm just gonna cut him in half, and I'll cut the tail off. Then we're gonna connect that to our line. If you notice guys, I set up on the other hand because the wind is coming from my left to right. So this bait here should be on the right side. So the reason for that, if the wind blows, it's not gonna create a pendulum swing and entangle our line. Alright, bait secured. It's been 2 minutes since we've casted our bait. Look at my line. It's nearly empty. So I'm just winding the slack really. Hopefully we don't hook a shark here. If we get a shark, we don't have enough line. I'm gonna tell you guys what's inside my cart. So basically it's just my bag light if we need it later, some jackets, and the floater for the drone, and my bucket where I put my tackle, and then my pliers, and my bait is just right here. Good thing is I don't have to buy bait because I can catch my own bait. So we've been catching yakas from the bridge and we use them for bait. Let me wind this down. Let's see what's happening here. At least the current is not too bad. It doesn't take me to the left or to the right. Not sure guys if there's a fish or not, because there's no head shakes at all, but it's just odd. It's very heavy. I can feel like I'm dragging the whole sand. See? Guys, we're dropping in nearly 300 meters. Now return home. We're gonna wind up the slack. No head shake, but it's really heavy. Might be a stingray. Anyway, the drone is up here. It's gonna come back now. And then I'm just gonna put this one in the rod holder, guys. And then we might have to change batteries now. Yeah, it's on its way back now. It's up there. So we've got 22 volts for the battery remaining. Okay, then we're gonna change the battery after this one.
Aircraft locked.
Okay, then turn this off. What do you think I could catch, guys? What's gonna be the next fish? So we've changed the bait to mallet. I'm quite confident with mallet because it smells like fishy. So we've dropped the bait. I think that was 200 something, 200, nearly 250 meters. Just want to make sure we wind the slack, guys, and hopefully we can catch a big one. All right, let's see what happens. Phew. It's just dragging on the sand. Whew. Yeah. Whew, it's so heavy. Might be a stingray. What is this one, guys? Whew. It's 300 meters. Reeling. It's a long way to go. I think we're nearly there. What is this one? Ah, it's a shovel nose. Woo. I wonder, it's been taking so much drag. He's a shovel nose, guys. He ate our bait. Shovel nose shark. Look at that. Look on the side of this map. We'll release him. I'm gonna need the pliers for this one. Whew. He's been hooked there for a while now, but he's just not moving. Just gonna grab my pliers then unhook him. Good thing it's just a small shovel nose. If it's a big one, it's gonna be very difficult to reel in. Okay, hook out. Whew. On the Fisherman Drone. Guys, shovel nose. Phew. Alright. He's not that big. He's a male shovel nose. Yeah, it's like an alien. Let's go and release this little boy.